create an awesome datamosh effect in After Effects. Go up to the rectangle tool, double click to make a mask, command double click the corner, and then holding command just pull it to the middle so we get this sort of aspect ratio strip. Then I can invert the mask. Go up to window, content aware fill method, surface, range, work area. Click this hamburger icon, content aware fill settings. Make sure create Photoshop reference frame is unticked, and then the bottom two are ticked. Okay, then generate fill layer. You'll see it says datamosh, and then it'll begin analyzing. Now that we've got our cool datamosh strip, and go to the effects and presets and search chromatic aberrations, and you'll see that we get these sort of cool scan lines. So I'm going to go to frame 1, move the point of interest across on the x-axis, keyframe it by clicking the stopwatch, go to the end of the clip, shift click and drag it across. So we get these cool ripples. And then you can enhance the individual colors. You can either make it a bit more blue or red. And then you can option click the stopwatch on fall off distance, time, asterisk 45. And then you get this sort of ribbon effect going across. And then we can also add a glow as well. Turn up the threshold, turn up the radius, and then just turn down the intensity. And it makes this cool sort of glass effect. So you can leave it as a visual, but also this panel is a great opportunity for some text. So for a fashion film or a music video, just make up a brand name, Glitter Snow, awesome. If you found this tutorial helpful, subscribe to Astrella for daily After Effects.